we're going to find the standard equation of a hyperbola given the vertices and the asymptotes. Okay, so I suppose when we're doing this, we ought to know where we are. So let's see, 0, 2, looks like about right there, and 6, 2, so we'll say that's about right there, 6, 2, so we'll say here's 6. Okay, and obviously we're up at 2. Maybe it's a little far for 6, but anyway. Okay, so based on that, then I would say that the center is about right there at 3, 3, 2. So if my center is 3, 2, then h is equal to 3, and k is equal to 2. And the distance from the center to the vertex is 3. So I would say that, I guess I'm picking a bad place to write. I would say that a is equal to 3. And I would also say that this is a horizontal situation, like this. I'm just guessing about things here. It's just a terrible graph, isn't it? I just can't draw from that side. Anyway, it's just not going to be nice. And we'd like to know what B is, because if we know what B is, we got the standard equation. We don't need the foci. So horizontal asymptote. Looks like this. We would say that y is equal to plus or minus b over a, right? B over a for horizontal. If it were vertical, we'd say a over b, x minus h. So we don't have to figure out the whole equation, but we see 2/3 in front of x, and we're like, okay, I know what this is. That must be that b over a is equal to 2 on the top and 3 on the bottom. A is 3. We know that a was 3, so b must be 2. And now I'm ready to write my formula. I say x minus h. What's h? H is 3 squared. A goes with the big boss, and this time it's x, so we say 3 squared minus y, which is minus k, so that's 2 squared, over b, which is 2 squared, equals 1. Okay, and that is the standard equation. And we can go from there. If we wanted to dig deeper, we could. That's what they ask us for. So we're good. We're good on that. If you had wanted to dig a little deeper when it came to the asymptotes, we'd say, let's see, y is equal to plus or minus b is 2 over 3 times x, oh, I left out the k, didn't I, plus k, minus h, which is 3, plus k, and we'd say, oh yeah, plus or minus 2/3 x, and then minus 2 plus 2, oh, I'm obviously trying the one with the positive first, and that's this one right up here, okay, because the 2's cancel, all right. So then what would happen, let me get rid of that negative sign, so what would happen if I said y is equal to minus 2 over 3 times x minus 3 plus 2? Well, I'd get minus 2/3, well, I don't need the parentheses anymore, minus 2/3 x, and then I'd say plus 2 and plus 2 And so that would be the same as this one. They just choose to write the 4 first, which, since we know about y equals mx plus b, I don't know why you do that. But anyway, there we go.